Welcome to today's video. Today we will be making a gemstone necklace inspired by Native American jewelry. I've been doing a lot of research and I tried drilling into some of my gems that I have and some of my quartz and stuff, and it was not working. I cannot make holes in my gems, so these are what I got to work with. So I organized them by color and I just kept going around the circle while I was beading them. And one of the charm things that we made a couple days ago, I am using, or was it yesterday? I can't remember. I am using to make today's jewelry. I didn't actually make a whole necklace that I could wrap around my neck, but I did the beaded part that I could attach to something to wrap around my neck. You'll see what I mean at the end. Also, I'm sorry if you hear some background noise. I've got the fan going because it is way too hot to not have it on right now. I'm not as dedicated to high quality as the YouTubers that I watch, such as The Odd Ones Out and Jaden Animations. They record their voiceovers in a closet, or at least they say they do. And I would not doubt it because I have done that before, because it is much better for recording. So, I mean, I believe them, right? Am I stupid to believe them? I don't know. I mean, they might not anymore, but I'm sure they used to. Anyway, moving on. So, I was just beading all the way around this little circle after organizing the beads, like I said. And I went around it twice on one side, and then I put my charm on, and then I went around it twice again on the other side of the charm. And I just used regular embroidery thread, and I knotted each side of the thread multiple times so that the beads would not fall off. They have pretty small holes, but I still had to knot it like 5 times on each side or something like that, just to make sure that they wouldn't slip off. And that's about it. It's a very, very simple process. I wish I had more variety of beads. There's other stuff that I really want to do. I just don't have access to the materials right now. Like, there's really cool chokers that have like extremely long beads. Those look awesome. And then there's necklaces that have like this really cool like fan at the center, like a little, kind of like how I did my charm, but like a fan of gems. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks really cool. I highly recommend looking up some Native American jewelry or Native American inspired jewelry at least, because they look really cool. There's a lot of turquoise too, which I find interesting because growing up my mom was just obsessed with turquoise. She had so much turquoise jewelry. But I have been looking at a lot of gems that I could buy online and have shipped to my house, and there are so many cool like shapes and types of rock, and I love all of it. It is so cool. I want to work with all of it. So I'm gonna figure out like a specific project that I want to do, and I'm gonna get a bunch of materials for that specific project, and I'll probably buy them in bulk so that I can make different variations. And so I'll do that in the future with another jewelry week. And that will be all thanks to my patron, Jamie McBride. I really appreciate your support. You're helping me with future videos already, so thank you. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, I've got 3 different tiers, the first of which is a craft kit. The second is like a Take My Stuff, where I give you one of my projects that I'm very proud of. And the third, which will be going away soon, is my summer sunflower crochet kitchen set. If you craft along, share your work with me on social media, tag Sameless Creations. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy crafting!